In this video, I'm going to show you my creative process, and this is my own creative process.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
It's not some standard thing out there. It's something that I sort of came up with, and it really works well. I'll show you in a second. Of the processes of how to find good domain names, really good domain names. We will need three things. One is this thesaurus.com. When we get creative and we need additional similar words. The other thing we'll need is basically GoDaddy.com, which is basically a place where you can look for, if I go GoDaddy.com, it's basically a place where you can enter domain names and it will tell you if that name is available or not. For example, you can see I enter test.com and it says it's taken. There are more powerful tools than this, but for our purposes here, this will be more than enough, and you'll see why. And the third tool I'll need your openness and creativity, because that's the number one biggest tool of all. Let me show you. I spent about 10 to 15 minutes preparing for this lecture. Look at the domains that I found in different industry. So if you want to have a business website, it's usually, one would think it's nearly impossible to have a business website. But I found easy business lessons after a minute or so of searching. And so I found a few domains that made up the total of 15 minutes. I'll show you what they are. And then, so easy business lessons, this, if you're selling online courses, any kind of business training, anything business related, this might be a fit. And you can see it's $11, and then you can use the lecture earlier in the course and you make this domain free or for $1. And then you can see business planning is another very competitive industry, and all I did was, see, I added ABC and it's available right away. Whereas if I said business planning, it's already taken. And so sometimes, just to get back to this, the lesson here is that sometimes you can get your keywords, your main keywords that you want to have, or the main idea that you want to convey in your domain name, and then you can just add a little bit of something, a little bit of a, like I did ABC. You can add like a fun little ending. Things like that right away make many domains available. So it doesn't have to be that hard. Now, I also made a challenge for myself. I wanted to use the word money. Money is extremely hard to get domain names that have the word money, because it's money is obviously a very lucrative sort of thing. And here I have stacking money was not available, but you see stacking money pro is available. And you see stacking money, if we search, you see actually it's available, but you see it's a premium domain, it's $1,500, which actually tells us that we're on the right track. This is a premium domain, and all you do, if stacking money will cost you $1,500, all you do is add the word pro in there, boom, you can get it for free, right? Remember how you can get the domains free or for $1? So essentially you can get what's really close to a $1,500 domain for free. Boom. Another one. Money artist. So money artistry, or like if I do something like money art or something like that, it's available. It's not available, sorry. But then if I did money artistry, you see it's a very nice domain name. Actually, it conveys intelligence and conveys deep skill and experience, and boom, you can get it for, if you're a financial analyst or anything, or a financial advisor or an accountant, boom. I mean, this is a fantastic domain name for that kind of a business. And again, you can get it for free, even though it says here $11.99. We know that you can get it cheaper. Now let's go through more. Now, if you look at this, you want a different field. Anything with exercise, I want anything exercising. You see $5,000. Okay, we're not going to spend that. All we're doing is exercise-ish, just to make it kind of fun. It's obviously not a brand for everyone, but if you're a brand, let's say you're having exercise classes or you exercise products for people who don't love exercise, first of all, those people, they would love the brand exercise-ish, because that's their life, right? They're not professional athletes. They're kind of exercise-ish. They're not fully into it. So it's kind of funny. It's kind of catchy. And look at that. You can get it for, it's available. It's a basic domain, so you can get it for free, essentially. And Now look at this. I want to show you also, if you wanted to get examples of the premium domain names, remember like Money Artistry? Look at that, Money Skills, $25,000. And if you get Money Artistry, which is absolutely no worse, and all you had to do, all I did really, is you can see I had skill here in the thesaurus. I looked in here, and look, I got the word artistry right from here. You see that? It was literally that easy. It's not like I thought about it. I wish I could say, oh, I came up with that. But really, I just looked at the thesaurus. It gave me a bunch of ideas. And if you use up these ideas and nothing enough, you can even look Money Savvy. I bet Money Savvy is taken, but why don't we take a look? Let's see what happens there. This one is taken. It isn't. So you see, there's a lot of trial and error. And when I tried these, it took me 3, 4, 5, 6 times before of trying either domain names that were like already taken or that were extremely expensive until I came up with a domain name that I liked. That then I was like, oh, I can build a business on this. I mean seriously, the Money Artistry. If you're an accountant or anything financial advising, that's like a beyond amazing. I really love it because it's not just a basic good domain. It's got the word artistry, which conveys so many abstract, meaningful things as well. So let's do a little bit of an example with a totally new something, and you can see my process of looking for this. So we did exercise, we did money. Another good industry is cars. I know nothing about cars except that they move. So I'm a total novice. If this is your industry, you would be a lot better prepared for this than I am. So what are we doing with cars? One note is that I'm flying blind in terms of I don't know what your brand that you want to convey. That I can't predict what kind of thing you're going to want to convey from your brand, so I have to guess. So I want to use the word car because that's a super huge challenge for me to find a good domain name that has the word car. So what I want in the car, I want the thesaurus for the word awesome. Awesome car. And I'm going to search for the word awesome. And I don't know why it gave me the word awful. You can see here. I can skip the word beautiful. I can skip the word breathtaking. Actually, breathtaking is interesting. Why don't we do that? I mean, right there, boom, breathtaking car. It's not for everything you might ever do with a car in the future, but for some things that you're doing in the car industry, it's just perfectly fine domain. It rolls off your tongue fine. It's good English. It's grammatically correct English, and there's a lot of things right about it. It's 2 basic words, and we can even do something more creative where why don't we look for breathtaking, because I do like the idea of breathtaking even though it's a little bit of a weird, like too long of a word. So why don't we even expound on that? How about I saw the word exciting there. Oh my god, exciting car. Now that's even a better domain. So you see, it's unbelievably easy to find good domain names. And if you want to do something funny like, cars ABC, probably that's taken. Or $800 is not even bad, but it tells us that we're on the right track because this is a highly desired premium domain. And we can just do something really car boom. Okay, that's taken. Or how about booming car? That's like, it conveys a little bit of a cooler thing. So there you go. I mean, there's so many that's available too. There's so many domain names in some of the most competitive, lucrative, billion-dollar industries. And like I found so many that can totally work here. And so just use this strategy and you'll have no shortage of good domain names. Now, one thought I want to leave you with, don't buy it right away, because sit on it, think about it, because it might sound cool now, but you have to live with this domain if your business is successful for years. And you want to really think about it and spend more time because you can always find cooler and cooler and cooler and better domains. Because if this was really my business, if I was really starting a business, even though I can find a domain in 3 minutes, you want to spend a day or two of doing the same process and find something unbelievably awesome, because your domain name is the first impression that you'll give everyone around. So I would recommend that you don't jump into it and keep looking for something cooler. Even if you already find something awesome, there's always more and more and more awesome domains you can find using this process.